Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to connect this Bluetooth speaker guys, and guys any speaker Bluetooth speaker you want to connect to your phone, so you can connect. And guys, now let's see how to connect Bluetooth speakers to our phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to connect. And guys, scroll and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. So guys, tap here, guys on your Bluetooth, and guys on your speaker. So as you can see guys, this first button guys press, so it will on. And guys setting second button guys, you can see this Bluetooth option. So guys press and guys refresh. So you can see guys this JBL speaker. So guys click on your JBL name of your speaker. After guys wait for, and guys now it has connected automatic. So you can see guys JBL speaker has connected to our phone. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.